Here's the Art Deco Welcome Center at the corner of 10th Street, and we're going to take a walking tour of Ocean Drive, heading from 10th to the Miami Beach Park. And we're heading from 10th down to 5th. Counting down from 10th towards the 5th area. South of 5th is quieter. This is the Monday before Thanksgiving week here in Miami Beach. And if you followed the news, you know there's been some behavior in Miami Beach during spring break. Got a little out of hand, but you'll see there's a police car. I see one parked almost every block. And the mayor has called for some curfews and things like that. Definitely more people here than when I was in here in January. And I would say more restaurants and businesses are open, so that's good to see. And this is the colorful Art Deco hotels along Ocean Drive. Definitely, if you're here, stop. It's worth a stroll, and after dark they're lit up and also it's a bit cooler. The nice thing is there's no cars, so it's much quieter on Ocean Drive than Collins with the cars. And it's a great place to take a walk. You've also got the park along here. There's a giant white tent building going up along the volleyball courts. I'm wondering if it's for a sports event. But anyway, Ocean Drive, great place to take a walk. And the other place would be Lincoln Road Mall, also lit up, lights and restaurants. Very nice for taking an evening stroll. So here's the Starlight, the Boulevard, even a CVS. And the great thing is along the left here, almost every cross street, you've got a public restroom and beach house type of entrance. You can wash the sand from your feet and use the restroom at every major cross street. And then you'll see people rollerblading right there along the beach walk. There's the Avalon Hotel and signs of Christmas going up. So that's our tour from 10th. We're going to end it here at 7th. You can keep going to around 5th, where it gets much quieter.